Hi, I'm Josh Gardner. At Richard P. Waltz Plumbing and Heating, we've been installing and servicing gas and oil heating systems for 75 years. We're always looking to find ways to save our customers money and to find the most efficient systems for their homes. Did you know that right now rebates are available from Efficiency Maine for replacing inefficient heating and cooling systems? Savings could be significant. Funds are limited, so call us today to see if you qualify. We'll even assist you with the paperwork. Give us a call today. Richard P. Waltz Plumbing and Heating. We do that.